I just completed a program by letitgodiet.com of eating clean.
Alright, welcome to the Let It Go Diet channel. Subscribe below. Like the video. This is day 19 smoothie meal called the Endurance Smoothie. The nutritional tidbit for today is cashews are bursting with antioxidants and minerals essential for your health. Eat up on nuts, eat up on the chia seeds. Don't overdo it, they're also high in calories. That's why today we're not using almond milk. We're going to use a cup of water and a cup of ice. So, to read it down again, 1 banana, 1/4 cup cashews, 1/2 cup mixed berries, 1/4 cup pineapple, 1/2 scoop of protein powder, 1/2 tablespoon of chia seeds, a cup of water, a cup of ice. Got the coffee brewing over here. It's morning. Good morning. Let's get this going. So you don't need an energy drink, you just need the endurance smoothie. Cashews and chia seeds. 1/2 cup of mixed berries. I'm going to use what I have left. 1/4 cup of the pineapple. Cup of water. And a cup of ice. You know what we're going to throw in too? Just because the pineapple's in there. A pinch of coconut flakes. And when I say a pinch, no more than a tablespoon. Let's blend it up. Make sure the lid is on tight. Make sure you get a powerful blender. Always works better. Alright, looks tasty, looks nice and icy and smooth. This is the endurance smoothie. Maybe you don't need coffee for the day, and if you do, make sure it's only black. Make sure it's only black coffee, no creamer, no milk, not during your 21 days. Again, down 15 pounds, so why not? Just follow the recipe. Endurance smoothie. Good blend for the day. You can feel and taste that pineapple. Not real strong. Love the creaminess of the cashews. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Peace. Enjoy your day.